Hello everyone and welcome on Be Successful, your favorite development channel. The place you always leave smarter than you came. Wouldn't it be wonderful to just relax and have some beer at the beach and make money while you are doing it? Seems too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, hundreds of thousands of people do it every day. Curious to know more? I am talking about passive income. This episode will appear publicly on Saturday, but don't forget that for members it is available from Friday, so don't miss the chance to become a member of this channel by clicking the join button in the video description or on the main page of the channel. And if you don't want to miss the future valuable videos on the channel, do not hesitate to subscribe right now and like this video, because what we are going to discuss today is amazing. It's no secret, passive income is one of the most talked about and sought after elements of personal finance, and for good reason. From building massive wealth to escaping a paycheck-to-paycheck lifestyle, passive income can have an extremely positive impact on just about any financial situation. Wondering what is passive income? It is an earning that comes in regularly without you having to put in effort or time. When you are able to establish an independent stream of income, by investing time and money initially, you can eventually start to earn passive income. In other words, it means you can earn money when you are not necessarily working. Passive income doesn't guarantee immense wealth overnight. Therefore, an individual shouldn't expect to get rich so soon. However, steady and gainful passive income opportunities can cause a person to amass income over a long period. It means a few $1,000s to hundreds more based on the income stream at hand. Passive income is important because it creates stability, security, and freedom in your financial life. Additionally, since passive income is not limited by your time and effort, it can have a positive and significant effect on your ability to build wealth. If you can count on money coming in without you having to work for every penny of it, then financial stability is just around the corner. And the more of that money that comes in, the more confident and stable you will feel in your finances. When you don't have to grind for every dollar you earn, it allows you to relax, look at the big picture, and make wiser financial decisions, which, in turn, improves your financial stability. It's a wonderful little cycle, and one of the main reasons why passive income plays such an important role in personal finance. In other words, passive income is one of the best ways to improve your financial situation. Passive income will give you more freedom to pursue your passions. When you have some passive income rolling into your bank account, you will suddenly find yourself with the freedom to pursue your passions, or for that matter, your dream career. Consider this. When you rely on your active income in order to make ends meet, it's easy to end up stuck in a job you can't stand. I mean, quitting a job is hard enough. But quitting a job when you don't have enough money to cover your rent that's due in 2 weeks is especially difficult. On the other hand, if you have a steady stream of passive income flowing into your finances, you get the freedom to pursue the things you really want to pursue. To put it simply, passive income gives you options. And with those options comes freedom. Warren Buffett said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." However, creating a passive income stream is far from easy. It takes an enormous amount of effort and investment of your time with very little return in the beginning. It involves an overall sense of frustration and an enormous learning curve. Still, it's one of the most worthwhile investments of your time that you could possibly engage in. There are many ways of building streams of passive incomes. I will take you through some of them. Dividend stocks. Shareholders in companies with dividend-yielding stocks receive a payment at regular intervals from the company. Companies pay cash dividends on a quarterly basis out of their profits, and all you need to do is own the stock. Dividends are paid per share of stock, so the more shares you own, the higher your payout. Opportunity. Since the income from the stocks isn't related to any activity other than the initial financial investment, owning dividend-yielding stocks can be one of the most passive forms of making money. The money will simply be deposited in your brokerage account. Risk: the tricky part is choosing the right stocks. For example, companies issuing a very high dividend may not be able to sustain it. Too many novices jump into the market without thoroughly investigating the company issuing the stock. You've got to investigate each company's website and be comfortable with their financial statements. You should spend 2 to 3 weeks investigating each company. That said, there are ways to invest in dividend-yielding stocks without spending a huge amount of time evaluating companies. A good alternative is going with exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. ETFs are investment funds that hold assets such as stocks, commodities, and bonds, but they trade like stocks. ETFs also diversify your holdings, so if one company cuts its payout, it doesn't affect the ETF's price or dividend too much. Rental properties. Purchasing properties to earn rental income is another way to build passive income. Long-term rentals can provide a reliable source of cash if they are located in a healthy market for renters, but they also carry long-term stressors like maintaining those properties, as well as paying multiple mortgages, property tax bills, and other costs. You could also focus on short-term rentals through a platform like Airbnb, which is dependent on a steady flow of visitors to your area. Or, start small, rent out a room in your house to begin to bankroll your rental property empire. Crypto staking. Crypto staking is a way of growing your holdings in certain cryptocurrencies by using them to help verify activity on an underlying blockchain network. When you stake a cryptocurrency, you can be rewarded with more cryptocurrency. Staking, for most people, involves delegating your cryptocurrency to someone who is compiling records of transactions on the network on which it runs. Those verifiers need to put some tokens at stake to guard against fraudulent transmissions. By giving the voting power of your tokens to a reputable verifier, you can get a share of the rewards they receive for carrying out their job accurately. But there is some risk. If the verifier you're working with is penalized, you may be as well. And staking sometimes requires you to commit your holdings for a set period of time, meaning you can't sell or trade them. It's important to note that staking is not available on all cryptocurrencies. But several crypto platforms have other rewards programs that offer interest on cryptocurrencies through activities such as lending. Write an ebook. Writing an ebook can be a good opportunity to take advantage of the low cost of publishing and even leverage the worldwide distribution of Amazon to get your book seen by potentially millions of would-be buyers. Ebooks can be relatively short, perhaps 30 to 50 pages, and can be relatively cheap to create, since they rely on your own expertise. You'll need to be an expert on a specific topic, but the topic could be niche and use some special skills or abilities that very few offer but that many readers need. You can quickly design the book on an online platform and then even test market different titles and price points. But just like with designing a course, a lot of the value comes when you add more ebooks to the mix, drawing in more customers to your content. You can find more info in the book, How to Write an Ebook and Sell It on Amazon, the complete step-by-step guide. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, website owners, social media influencers, or bloggers promote a third party's product by including a link to the product on their site or social media account. Amazon might be the best-known affiliate partner, but eBay, Awin, and ShareASale are also among the larger names. And Instagram and TikTok have become huge platforms for those looking to grow a following and promote products. You could also consider growing an email list to draw attention to your blog or otherwise direct people to products and services that they might want. Opportunity. When a visitor clicks on the link and makes a purchase from the third-party affiliate, the site owner earns a commission. The commission might range from 3 to 7%, so it will likely take significant traffic to your site to generate serious income. But if you can grow your following or have a more lucrative niche, such as software, financial services, or fitness, you may be able to make some serious coin. Affiliate marketing is considered passive because, in theory, you can earn money just by adding a link to your site or social media account. In reality, You won't earn anything if you can't attract readers to your site to click on the link and buy something. Risk: if you're just starting out, you'll have to take time to create content and build traffic. It can take significant time to build a following, and you'll have to find the right formula for attracting that audience, a process that itself might take a while. Worse, once you've spent all that energy, your audience may be apt to flee to the next popular influencer, trend, or social media platform. There are many ways of producing streams of passive incomes. Important is first to understand the power that a passive income will give you, but also you have to be realistic that to get there you need work, patience, and perseverance. Let us know if we should create a follow-up video about more methods to use and earn passive income. Till next, take care of your money.